Hi everyone, my name is Akasha, and in today's video we are going to be doing this neon light painting thingamajig. Anyways, so I got these canvases from the dollar store. Also, I have made a video like this before too, so if you've seen it, this design is different than the last one. But these canvases from the dollar store are just about the same quality of the ones that I get at like Walmart and Target. By the way, I bought these power beads and I wanted to tell you guys, like, this is so insane, but I have never bought something so expensive twice. But I lost my old power beads, like one of them, and so now I have a pair, and then I have one where it only has one. So I have black ones and now I got the white ones. So anyways, go on Google, find yourself an image. I searched up like Pinterest neon sign or banana something. It says it on top, aesthetic banana neon sign or something. You're gonna need the paints, which I got from Target, and I got my brushes from Target. And these paints are kind of different. It's like a satin acrylic paint or whatever. And you just want to go ahead and scribble on the back of your printout of the neon sign, and this is so that when you trace it, it actually goes onto the canvas. So for starters, I went ahead and painted my whole canvas black, and when it ends up drying, you'll know because it'll not be shiny anymore. It'll be kind of like a little matte-ish. But this paint is like different than usual acrylic paint. I actually didn't like it as much because when I was done, it was what's the word, like the yellows that I used are kind of transparent. Yeah, so yeah, just go ahead and trace on top, and then that leaves the pencil lines behind, and we're gonna go ahead and paint that with a white color. I know this video is moving really fast, but I didn't want to bore you guys, so this is just me mixing the white and yellow together for a color that we're gonna do later. But we're gonna go ahead and do just white to start, and we trace the entire banana with white. I just love the color yellow, and so I thought the banana sign was really cute. I also saw a pineapple one, which I thought was cute, but I did it with white. And then I went over it, like, you know, made sure the white was really standing out. And yeah, there's me going over it one more time. And then I went in with the yellow color that I did, and I started outlining. And so basically you take whatever color your neon sign is going to be and dilute it with the white paint. But I did it a lot. By the way, this is the song I was listening to. I was listening to I Do by John Legend. Really good song. I'm trying to like keep up with his voiceover. But basically you dilute the white paint with the yellow, and I did it a lot for the top part because I wanted the banana part to be lighter than the peel. So the peel was diluted much less, but it wasn't very, I guess, like the black part was showing through from the bottom, which I didn't like. So use like regular acrylics. I used like these satin acrylics, satin acrylics. I keep saying Satan, oh my god. Anyways, at the end I went over again with the white paint and outlined the white parts, and then I went and did the edges with black because I didn't do that at the beginning. So I did it at the end. Doesn't matter, do it your way, I don't care, you know, do you. And here's me in the end scratching my eyeball. Anyways, here's the sign. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Here's what it looks like with the lights off, by the way. And yeah, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I can see you guys again in a couple days when I post again. Thank you guys so much. Bye.